Do you want to attach a subscription to a machine running Red Hat Enterprise Linux? Stay tuned to find out how. I'm Don Pezet, and this is an ITProTV Quick Byte. Attaching a subscription is really easy to do from the command line. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we've registered our system with Red Hat, and we do that by issuing this command. We'll do sudo subscription-manager register, and then we need to provide our username and our password from the Red Hat customer portal, access.redhat.com. So you'll punch in --username equals, and whatever your username happens to be, and then --password equals, followed by your password. When you press enter, it's going to reach out to the server, and assuming your authentication is correct, it will register your system. Mine's already registered, so I'm attached. But being registered is just the first step. That doesn't actually attach the license. If we then take a look at the available licenses, we can see what we want to attach. Now, if you just want to grab the first available license, you can say sudo subscription-manager and then attach --auto. And that says just grab the first available license and attach it to this system. We press enter and we're done. But if you want to pick a specific license, you would need to provide the identity here. So to find that, you would say sudo subscription-manager list --available. When I take a look at my available licenses, I should see that my developer license still has one available. And so that's going to come up here in just a moment. It's communicating with Red Hat servers, and it should return back with a pool ID and the number of licenses. I can see I have 11 available, and it's suggesting one of those licenses for me right now. And this license covers the different products that I've got attached to my account. So I'm good with grabbing that one. And since it's the only one, I can easily do the sudo subscription-manager attach --auto. When I run that, it's going to grab that available license, attach it to the system, and then I'm good to go. Now I'll be able to perform all the subscribed features like doing system updates and installing new software from the Red Hat repositories. All right, well, in this Quick Byte, we got a chance to see how to quickly attach a license to a brand new Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 install. You can find out more over on our website at ITPro.tv. I'm Don Pezet, and this was a Quick Byte from ITProTV.